Hi guys, this is me Vishal and today I'm just going to start a new video in this new year. Let's see that how the video is, and the motive is nothing. So the weather is very good and very cloudy I see, but it is the winter season, so I got that. He's watching me, you can see. I'm just gonna zoom it, wait. He's the labor of our home. He's working very good. He's saluting us that very good. He's just going to take the sand. He's not understanding anything, but he's just nodding his head. This is the working place. Here I am also just working right now because I know that one of my videos that I said that we are making our home. So in winter season we have started this working again. We have started the working again, I can say. I don't know what should I say because I am fully tired right now. I have just strained all of the sand right now, and he is just refilling the basket again. You can see him that how he is refilling it. So I thought that why don't I make a vlog type video. So I'm just going to make a video. He's very hardworking man. My elder brother is very hardworking man. He's coming to us and I don't know that what he'll say to me, but let's see. You can hear some of music, the picnic music. So this is a January month, as we are Bengali, so we celebrate Sankranti. So it is the music of that you can hear. You can see him, he is just working very hard and he is walking there to refill the balti again, or sorry, it is basket. In Bengali it is called balti. So I said that, okay, nothing more. He is just going to refill again. You can see the view. It is fully not made, but it will be make soon. It will be made soon. I'm just going to make mistakes, but I'm not going to uncut this video. So he refilled the basket and now again he'll come there so that we can stain the sand. So this is just a vlog type video. I hope that you are enjoying. This is nothing, it is a practice video, and I'm not just going to uncut any of my mistake, so that you can learn also that making mistake is a first step to go towards fluency. He's very good and hardworking person. I'm just going to stop this video again, and after that I will pause it. He's saying nothing, you can't understand. If you are Bengali then you will understand it, or my Siliti wise can understand. He's just a funny guy. I'm not saying anything. Okay, I will have to stand the sand, so I'm going there. Stay tuned. So guys, I have said many things to you. It is time to having a tea. Okay, right now I am just having a tea. So I have completed 6 basket of sand. You can see the view. You can see the view right now. It is my scooty, new scooty I have purchased. Okay, and he is just waiting for me. That he is saying something to me, but I'm not responding him because he is saying in Bengali, and in this video I am not able to speak in Bengali, you know guys. So can you say anything to my audience? He is deaf person, so he cannot listen me. You can see him. You can see there is many stone. Okay, so it is a short video. I'm just going to end, and if there is anything to show you, then I will show you. And I think that's nothing for today. I have to go to my work too, so that's why I have to complete it. I have to complete it. Cut this video. I have to complete the video. See you tomorrow.